Today I'm sharing a quick and flavorful coconut green chutney recipe, perfect to serve with idli, dosa, vada, or even as a sandwich spread. Here's what you'll need: 1 full grated or chopped coconut, 8 to 10 green chillies, handful of fresh coriander leaves, 8 to 10 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, half or 3/4 glass of water, salt to taste. For the tadka, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon mustard seeds, that is rai, a few curry leaves. Let's start by making the chutney paste. In a mixer jar, add the grated coconut, green chilies, cumin seeds, garlic, ginger, and coriander leaves. Add about half a glass of water and grind it into a smooth paste. Stir and add a little more water if needed to get a nice creamy consistency. Once done, you can store this chutney base in a airtight container in fridge up to a week. When you are ready to eat, take the required amount in a bowl, add some water to adjust the consistency, and add salt as per your taste. Now for the tadka, heat a little oil in a small pan. Once it's hot, add rai and let it sizzle. Then add curry leaves and let them crisp up. Pour this sizzling tadka over chutney and mix it well. Your coconut chutney is ready, fresh, flavorful, and perfect with your favorite South Indian breakfast. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and let me know in comments what you are pairing it with, idli or dosa. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy homemade recipes, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.